Okay, I'm good. It's a trailer house. Let's go show how the inside and then put the fan in reversal. He is currently moving out the house here, and the landlord had problems. Oh, and the landlord is replacing a next new ceiling fan. Same one I have in my kitchen. He's putting it. Look like he just replacing with cheap fans, and then blades sag easily. See them thing already start sagging. So this is the top of the motor. These screws are so good in the brackets. I would recommend these fans for, let's say, patio or something outside. Got some cool lights in here. Cool lights. I think they were. I think. Okay, no. That's reverse. Oh, and this is where I'm from, Virgin Islands. This is my flag, my country's flag. And this is where he is from. Yeah, look to see if he's coming or not. Now in reverse. This is high speed, but you say can't risk that thing. High speed. As you can see, it's blowing out Christmas ornaments. Low, medium, low, off.
What you taking your pictures for me?